this is, oh snap, it's Violet, and I'm Violet. Who knew, right? Anyways, we're here in where it all happens. This is in the middle of the drama. Dun, dun, dun. We are here today in the kitchen, the heart of the home, making hummus. Knife, garlic, living proof. Making hummus, you see. I'm going back to school day after tomorrow on Wednesday. Today is Monday. And when I go back to school, I want to have a nice lunch. So I'm going to make a salad, some carrots, ranch, and hummus. So I thought that I'd show you a little bit how. So I put 1.5 cups of chickpeas, and I squeezed 4 lemons and put the juice of 2 lemons in this vita-mix blender. Oh yeah, this is a nice baby. So, right now, I am chopping very angrily this garlic. I'm going to put this garlic in the vita-mix blender. Now, if you're at home, you need parent supervision to be cutting the garlic because you don't want to accidentally hurt yourself with this very sharp blade. Okay, we just put 3 garlic cloves into this nice vita-mix blender. Next, we are going to do 3/4 of tamari. But they don't make a 3/4
tahini.
We're going to put a 3/4 cup of tahini sauce. But they don't make a 3/4 cup. So we're going to put a 1/2 cup plus a 1/4 cup, and that will equal a 3/4 cup. So let's roll. Nice tamari. Does this have peanut butter in it?
No, it's ground up sesame seeds.
Oh, and tamari, which you would want to know, I guess, is just ground up sesames. I mean, who would know that, right? I never knew that. Now you know. Now we're going to put the 1/2 cup in. Doesn't that look so good? Don't you just want to, doesn't that kind of look like peanut butter? I think that looks like peanut butter. It kind of smells like peanut butter too. Now I kind of like tahini. Shake that. Shake, 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 shake. Okay. Next, we are going to do a dash of tamari, which is basically, yeah, Violet really doesn't do dashes, so I'm just going to try to. Dash. Was that a dash? That was dash. Dash on. Okay. We're going to do another dash of salt. And it actually said to do 1/2 of a teaspoon. But, I mean, we only have teaspoons, and it's kind of, well, whatever. I'm just going to do a dash again. So, 1, 2, 3. Dash. Did anything come out? Dash of salt. Now, we're going to put the lid on the blender. And it's time to make me some hummus. Blend on. Now we're going to go. Now, we are done blending. So, we are going to, is there a, okay. Now, we're gonna take the top off. That's good hummus. Okay. That's good hummus.